Hello guys, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy learning on tutorial number 10 how to construct a 3D part in CATIA version 5. All the informations needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video. So let's get started. We click File, we click New, we select Part, we put the name, Tutorial 10, we click Insert, Body, right click, Properties, put the name, Tutorial 10, insert another body, hide the planes, click on Sketch, select the plane that we want to work on. Now we're gonna construct the outside contour of our design. So firstly, we're gonna select the circle, that will be a guidance for us. And we're gonna construct 3 circles. One here, one here, and this one we're gonna mirror it. Perfectly. We want to be sure that the middle of the middle of the circle, the point is in coincidence with this circle that is pointed. So we are just checking to be sure. Okay, perfect. Now we have to constrain the circles, so we're gonna put the dimension of the circles. They all have a radius of 20. Okay, perfectly. The one in the middle has a radius of 42. Perfect. Now we're gonna construct the lines that are tangent between the 3 circles. So we're gonna start by constructing the lines. So we're gonna make it tangent like this. And the third line that is here. Okay, perfectly. I'm gonna select the line and the circle, make it tangential also. And as you can see now, we are aligned with the circle. We are aligned. Yes, we have constrained everything and we are aligned with the circle in the middle. That is just a guidance for us. Now we're gonna delete what we don't need anymore by selecting quick join. So we're gonna delete these areas. And we're gonna exit the workbench. So this is our first design. Now we're gonna click insert, another body. We're gonna copy this sketcher and paste it in the second body. We're gonna hide this one and we're gonna work in this one right now. So what we want to construct now is the middle hexagon pattern. So we're gonna click this option, hexagon. We're gonna select the middle and we're gonna construct the hexagon. Now we want to choose a line that is horizontal and click this option and make it horizontal to align it, to be sure that it's okay, it's constrained. And now we're gonna constrain. So from this dimension to this dimension, we're gonna click delete on parallel option. So this dimension is 54. Select OK. The lines that we used before in the previous design, we're gonna select all of them by holding Control and make them pointed like this, because they are just guidance. We don't need them for the moment. We're gonna exit this sketch also. And now, as you can see, we have the hexagon pattern. We're gonna hide this one also. We're gonna copy again sketch number 1, insert, body, paste here. we're gonna enter it. We're gonna select again all the elements and make them pointed because we don't need them anymore, we already have them. Now we have to construct the inside circle, so we're gonna use circle. We're gonna select the middle of our axis system, gonna click OK, and we need to put the radius of the circle, so we're gonna choose 20 for example. We're gonna exit. We're gonna click insert body, and now we are constructing the holes in our design. So we're gonna copy this sketcher, afterwards hide it, paste it here. We're gonna enter it. This circle that we did previously, we're gonna select it and put a radius of 12 millimeters. And now we need to construct the holes, so we're gonna select again the point where we constructed the upper circle. We're gonna select the point where we constructed the left circle, and this circle we're gonna mirror on horizontal axis to be placed down. Now we're gonna constrain them, so we're gonna select constraint. We're gonna put a radius of 10 millimeters, actually 8 millimeters. This one also 8. Okay, we exit. So these are the holes. We're gonna click insert body. We're gonna copy the same sketcher, paste it here, hide it, go inside body 7 and edit the previous sketcher again, but this time we have to delete the one in the middle because we already have it, and we have to constrain the rest of the circles in this tree that will have a diameter of 10, radius of 10. Okay, we exit. And now we have to construct our 3D elements and add them all together in tutorial 10. So let's get started. We go to body 3, we right click it, we define it, we click on pad, we select the design, we put 10 millimeters thickness, we right click tutorial 10, we define it, we right click body 3, we click this option, we add, click OK. Now we have the hexagon pattern. We right click it, we define, we select pad, we select this option, and we put 15. Click OK. We define tutorial 10, we right click the hexagon body, that is body number 4 in our case, we click this option, we click add, and we click OK. So now we added this body to this body, they are stick together. Now we're gonna show the sketch, so this one we have to construct it also, so we right click it, we define it, we click on pad, we select the sketch, and we put 20 millimeters dimension. We right click tutorial 10, we define it, we right click body 5, where is the circle constructed, we click this option and we click add, and we select OK. So now we have all 3 elements stick together inside tutorial 10, they are all 3 added. What we have to do now is to construct the holes. So firstly we're gonna start with the main 4 holes. We're gonna right click them, define, we're gonna select pad, we're gonna choose the sketchers, and we need to construct the holes to be bigger than our design, so we're gonna choose this option, put 25 for example, here 25 preview. As you can see they are bigger, we click OK, go to tutorial 10, we right click it, define it, we go to body 6 where the holes are constructed, we click this option and we click remove, we select OK, and now we have the holes constructed in our final design. And now we have some smaller holes that we need to construct in order for us to finish our design. So as we know, the measurement between this and this is 10 millimeters. So these holes are 2 millimeters lower, so they are not crossing all the thickness. So we're gonna define this body, select the sketcher with pad option. So we have it 25 millimeters longer in order for us to delete the material, but also we need to make the holes 2 millimeters in this area. So what we're gonna do in this area, we're gonna select -8 millimeters because we know that the full thickness is 10 millimeters. So we're gonna click preview. So as you can see, the pointed line indicates until where we're gonna remove material. We're gonna select OK. We're gonna go to tutorial 10, right click it, define, right click body 7, go to this option and click remove. And click OK. So as you can see, we removed only 2 millimeters of material from this side. So this is our design for today, guys. I hope you guys understood how to construct this design. If you didn't understood, please leave a comment in the comment section, and we see each other next time. Like, subscribe. Bye bye, guys. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.